Welcome to this Blackboard tutorial on using the attendance tool. The attendance tool allows you to track student attendance per class meeting. It creates a corresponding column in the Grade Center that allows you to use attendance to influence student grades. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on the attendance feature, configure the Grade Center column, manage the attendance interface, and view the impact attendance has on student grades. In your Blackboard course, scroll down to the control panel. Click Course Tools to expand the menu. Click Attendance. Scroll down. To enable attendance in this course, click the Add Attendance button. The grade schema allows you to define the percentage of points a student will be allotted when a particular option is selected. Attendance options include present, late, and absent. When taking attendance, you will also be able to exempt students from a particular class meeting. Click the drop-down to view the grade using options. You can choose for your Grade Center column to use points, percentage, or letter as the primary grading option. Close the drop-down to continue. Click the X to close the attendance settings. Next, we need to go to the Grade Center to configure the attendance column. This must be done prior to taking attendance the first time, or you will be unable to make any changes. First, click Course Tools to collapse the menu. Click the arrow beside Grade Center to go straight to the spreadsheet view. Locate the attendance column and click the drop-down beside the title. Click Edit Column Information. Scroll down. By default, attendance is worth 100 points. To change this value, click in the Points Possible box and replace the value. Once you've entered the new value, click Submit. Now we'll go back to the attendance tool. Scroll down to the control panel. Click Course Tools to expand the menu. Click Attendance. Scroll down. I can now take attendance for today's class meeting by clicking the appropriate column beside the student's name. I can mark a student present, late, absent, or excused. The current view is the meeting view, which shows only one class meeting. To see an expanded view, click the Overall button. The Overall view lets you see multiple class meetings. To add a meeting date prior to today, put your mouse over the left edge of the Today cell and click the plus that appears. To add a meeting date after today, put your mouse over the right edge of the Today cell and click the plus. To set the date for this new meeting, click the title of the column. Choose Edit Meeting from the drop-down menu. Then click the appropriate date in the date picker. You can set all students to the same status for one class meeting all at once. First, click the title of the column. Click Mark All Present. If you need to change the status for one student, you can click in the appropriate cell and choose a different option. To delete a date, click the title of the column. Then click Delete Meeting. Click the Delete button to confirm the deletion of the column. We're now going to return to the meeting view. You can now navigate between meeting dates by clicking the arrows at the top. Now we'll return to the Grade Center. Click Course Tools to collapse the menu. Click the arrow beside Grade Center to go straight to the spreadsheet view. To view a summary of any student's attendance, click the drop-down beside their score. Then click Grade User Activity. Here I can view a list of all meeting dates and this student's attendance at each meeting. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000.